Do you have stiff, rough towels? A simple trick is all it takes to turn their coarse texture into real fluffiness. Open the detergent drawer and get everything ready for washing. Pour regular laundry detergent into the left compartment. Into the middle compartment, the one for fabric softener, pour exactly 1 cup of plain vinegar. Vinegar removes detergent residue trapped in the fibers, dissolves hard water buildup, helping towels regain their fluffiness and absorbency. Close the drawer. Place the towel in the washing machine drum and close the door. Setting the right temperature is very important. Select a cycle of 190 degrees Fahrenheit and wash for 2 hours. The high temperature helps dissolve buildup thoroughly, eliminates bacteria, and deeply cleans the fibers, leaving towels truly fresh, soft, and hygienically clean. Towels as soft and light as a cloud, with that luxurious hotel-quality feel. Sprinkle this on your white clothes. They'll be whiter than ever, no expensive detergent needed. This simple home trick not only brings back brightness, but also refreshes your whites, naturally. Over time, white clothes lose their shine. They turn gray or yellow and start to look worn out, even if they have been washed. But there's an easy way to make them look like new again. Grab a large bowl and carefully pour in boiling water. Add your white clothes and use tongs to fully submerge and soak them. Then sprinkle baking soda over everything. Gently stir to distribute the soda evenly. Let the mixture sit for 30 minutes. The baking soda will start pulling out stains, buildup, and discoloration from the fabric. After 30 minutes, drain the water, rinse off the excess baking soda, and wring out the clothes. Toss them into the washing machine, choose a gentle cycle, add a detergent for whites, and wash as usual. But here's the real secret. Hang the clothes outside, especially on sunny days. Want to boost the whitening effect even more? Pour a bit of lemon juice on the fabric and leave it in the sun for 2 hours. Your clothes will come out fresh, bright, and naturally white. No bleach, no harsh chemicals needed. Put a sock on an empty bottle. You'll soon understand why this trick is going viral. Start by preparing a bowl and filling it with very warm water. Place your socks in the bowl and leave them for a few minutes to soak thoroughly. Meanwhile, get your favorite laundry detergent ready. Don't add it to the water, just keep it nearby. Take an empty plastic bottle. Make sure it's not too big. Slide one of the wet socks over the bottle. Because the fabric is stretched and damp, it'll go on easily, even if the sock is tight. Hold the bottle with the sock in one hand and pour a bit of detergent over the fabric with the other. Then take a soft brush and gently start scrubbing the surface of the sock. You'll quickly notice the difference. This method effectively removes not only general dirt, but also stubborn stains, especially in high-wear areas. No washing machine can clean the fibers this precisely. This simple manual trick really works. It turns out a basic bottle can replace the old-fashioned washboard our grandmothers used. Finally, rinse the socks well in clean water. They'll look as good as new. Not many people know this trick for washing a comforter, and it's a shame because it really makes life easier. Washing a comforter can be one of the most challenging household chores. Its large size often makes it difficult to clean thoroughly, but there's a simple trick that helps, and it involves an unusual item. Lay it flat on the floor, fold it in half lengthwise, and then roll it up like a fan. This way, it will easily fit into the drum. Comforters are best washed about once every 6 months in warm water, around 81 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, using a gentle or comforter cycle with an appropriate spin speed. To boost cleaning power and remove dirt and germs, toss a regular shopping bag into the drum. It can be any lightweight plastic bag, even one from your groceries. While it may sound odd, it helps the detergent foam up more, allowing the suds to reach every corner of the comforter. The result is fabric that's more thoroughly rinsed, fresher, and free of unpleasant odors, leaving your comforter perfectly clean and soft to the touch. Your laundry has never smelled this good. The scent will last for days, even a week after taking clothes out of the closet. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Grab a bowl or a small container. Choose a fabric softener with a scent you love. Pour 3 measures into the container. Then add the same amount of water, 3 more measures. Mix the solution thoroughly. Now prepare some soft cloths. For this amount of liquid, take 2 or 3. Cut one in half. Do the same with the second cloth. Place all the cloths in the container, ensuring they're fully soaked. These cloths can be stored for several days. They're perfect for tossing into the washing machine. Add your usual fabric softener to the detergent drawer. During the wash cycle, the clothes will absorb the beautiful scent, and rinsing will only enhance it. These cloths also work great in the dryer. Throw one in with your laundry, and your clothes will smell better than ever. Just load the wet laundry as usual and toss in a soaked cloth. After use, return them to the container, ready for the next wash. Drop 2 tablets into your white laundry. The results will be stunning. Don't throw away expired aspirin tablets just yet. It turns out they have hidden properties perfect for washing white clothes. Aspirin has whitening effects, making it ideal for removing yellow stains caused by sweat or food. Dissolve a few aspirin tablets in a bowl of warm water, then soak the clothes you want to whiten for 15 minutes. Afterward, place them in the washing machine and run a cycle. Alternatively, you can toss whole aspirin tablets directly into the washing machine. Besides brightening your whites, aspirin also helps reduce limescale buildup inside the machine. The results are immediate. Clothes come out brighter, and stubborn stains disappear. Did you know aspirin could be used this way? Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Pour it into the wash. Dark clothes will regain their intense black color faster than you think. Put all the dark clothes in the washing machine, but choose only those that don't have any prints or other, especially light colors. Now it's time for coffee. Brew some coffee, either from a machine or instant, but make sure it doesn't have any grounds. This is a homemade method to refresh clothes without using chemical dyes. Add the coffee to the detergent compartment of the washing machine, or pour a cup of coffee directly onto the laundry. As usual, add your regular laundry detergent and start the washing machine. Coffee helps darken black and brown clothes. This beverage acts as a natural dye, reviving colors, especially on dark fabrics. It can also help maintain the color intensity, preventing it from fading. Start the washing machine, and that's it. You will definitely notice a difference. The clothes will be as black as new.